But you know how dope that is, like to share a healthy story of that transition of a blended family, because it does not always go well, and we always hear the negative stories, right? So I'm happy that you guys are sharing a positive story and sharing what it looks like and what it feels like to have that transition. It is a huge transition for all parties involved, right?
It was, and that's how it started. Now, I'm not gonna say it stayed that